Dear delegates of the World Trade Point Federation annual meeting in China, it is an honor for me to address myself to this prestigious gathering. I have been invited by your chairman, Bruno, to address a few words about the vision and the future of the Trade Point movement, as we are now assisting Bruno and the Federation to bring new technologies to empower the trade efficiency projects around the world and convert the Trade Point Association and Federation into a major player in the e-commerce arena. Just a few words about myself. My name is Carlos Moreira. I am the founder and CEO of WISeKey, a Swiss cybersecurity company. I am also the Secretary General of the International Organization for Electronic Secure Transaction, OISTI, based in Switzerland, in Geneva, Switzerland. And I was the previous expert of the United Nations on technology. I was at the beginning of the Trade Point movement when I was working for UNCTAD. And I was also the founder of a very popular system at that time in China with the name ETO, Electronic Trading Opportunity System, which was the genesis of many big, very big electronic platforms now operational in China and many other countries around the world. So since my years in the UN, I have been working to secure the basically the internet against any fraud, counterfeiting, cybersecurity attack, viruses, and everything which prevents us to use the internet as a trusted infrastructure where we can do business and establish relation in full trust. So the Trade Point, as you know, launch a very innovative model where basically by locating one electronic commerce center or trade point in each country of the world or each city of the world, we could increase trade efficiency and reduce the burden of conducting trade. So 20 years later, this technology has evolved. Now the new Trade Point, what we call Trade Point 2, which is the new generation of trade points, are going to be equipped with new technologies which are required in order to conduct trusted transactions. As you know, many e-commerce sites are still running fake products in the site that makes very difficult for traders around the world to use those sites as trustworthy platforms. So we are adding new technologies such as identity, digital identity. There is a new project launched by the Trade Points in cooperation with WISeKey with the name eTrade ID. So eTrade ID is to provide digital identification to every single trader in the world through the Trade Point verifications. Trade Points will act as a trust center where traders will go physically to show their credentials. This can be done also virtually through new technologies such as face recognition and others. But the eTrade ID will allow millions of traders to authenticate themselves towards the Trade Point and provide a strong authentication as well for their products. So every single product will also be tagged with an identity. So by combining the identity of the trader and the identity of the product, you can establish a very trusted environment. So all that data is then collected by application apps, which we call ETO apps, which collects all the product data, sends that data to the network of trade points around the world and ETO users, and establish a one-to-one relation, authenticated relations between users. The third dimension is obviously to decentralize that data through blockchain technology. So we're adding a blockchain ledger, which allows every single trade identity. So each trade ID will be recorded on a blockchain ledger. And that blockchain ledger will be available for every single person and organization in the world to see. The advantage of blockchain ledger is that the entire life cycle of a product or the entire life cycle of a person identity is recorded in the ledger and is immutable, means that you cannot modify, you cannot alter. So it is a very good way to ensure that nobody has manipulated the information and the information is true. And the third dimension of that is adding artificial intelligence to all this data that is being gathered. So the AI algorithms can then learn from the data and can then give predictions to the traders. So traders can very easily, with the data that is collected by the system, just organize trading campaigns and be more efficient in the way they trade. So as you know, counterfeiting is a very big issue. It's 5% of the global economy is counterfeited economy. It's $1 trillion. This money goes to mafias all over the world. So the objective of reducing counterfeiting through the E-Trade identity and electronic trading opportunity system, ETO, and the trade points as a final validation is a very powerful model, which we believe is going to be adopted by all the countries in the world, as it was the case already 20 years ago when we launched the ETO system and the trade point. That was a global endorsement through a ministerial declaration of trade efficiency. So just to remind, the vision we had at that time is that by reducing the trade efficiency burden on countries through locating all the participants in one physical or virtual point, which is the trade point, we will reduce $100 billion to the economy every year. And that money will be then being injected in increase the efficiency of many countries around the world. So there is a great opportunity. The system has been already launched. It is operational at the World Trade Point Federation site. The World Trade Point Federation is a non-for-profit organization which is in cooperation with OISTE.org, which is another Swiss non-for-profit organization leading this project. WISeKey is providing the technology as a technology partner, and many other technologies partners will join as well. So we will be delighted to establish new links with you to be able to work with you at national level in China and abroad, and make this a very successful venture for all of us. So I wish you all the best. My congratulations again to Bruno for his leadership during those years in making the World Trade Point Federation one of the largest and most represented trade federations in the world. One of the uniqueness of the World Trade Point Federation is that you have the presence of physical points. Trade points are located locally, and that is a major difference from many other e-commerce sites around the world. Even though they are very big and very popular, they do not have the local presence that Trade Point has. So Trade Point's presence is a major element of success. It allows basically in the future through this World Trade Point Federation platform that we are building to allow any trader in the world to create companies in a very low-cost manner, because the platform offers the service to create that company, to export their products without the need to be on a cumbersome transactions, because the platform will help them to launch their product and to increase basically the presence of millions, if not billions of people into the platform through the technologies that we are providing. So we are very happy for this partnership. We thank the World Trade Point Federation for its support and leadership on this project, and we wish you all a great event in China. Thank you very much. All the best.